Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change URL on Wix. So let's go to the browser first and log into dashboard, Wix dashboard. Then you have to click on this three dot beside the edit site option, three dot site actions. Click on this and choose rename site. Click on rename site, and here you can see the site name, and here you'll find site address or URL, and then you can change this URL from here. You can change the URL, anything you can add here, that's up to you. Okay, so after that you have to click on save. If you click on save, your URL and the tail will be also changed. Okay guys, so this is how you can change the URL on Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.